Show you guys how to use XIM primer the right way. A lot of people do this wrong. They put on way too heavy of a coat, and it's not a covering primer. This is a bonding coat. So what you need to do when you use this stuff is, you see how light that is? Just like this. When you put this on, it's just a mist, just like that much. That's it. You put heavier than that, you're doing yourself a disservice. You're gonna have a problem with your finish wrinkling. When you go over it, you're gonna have problems with all kinds of stuff. That alone will make the paint adhere really well. In fact, I put this product right over raw aluminum, unsanded, and put automotive paint over it, and it bit so good that you could not scratch it off and separate it from the aluminum. But when I put on the automotive paint without this primer, this little light mist coat of primer, it would scratch right off. So this stuff is great stuff. XIM, if you don't use it, you should always have a can of this in your truck for bonding problems. Talk to you in the next video.